Hey everyone, I am super excited for this video because today we are going to make Mickey waffles. I can't wait to show you guys how to make these, so let's get started with the video. I found this super awesome Mickey waffle maker on Amazon and I had to get it. I'll have the link to it in the description below. First, let's unbox the waffle maker. The waffle maker is double-sided, each side has 3 Mickey waffles, so in total it makes 6 Mickey waffles. The waffle maker is non-stick and you can control how light or how dark you want your waffles to be. The waffle maker also includes a little cup to pour your waffle batter. And the design of the Mickey waffle maker is super cute. Now that the waffle maker has been unboxed, we are going to move on and make our waffle batter. In a large bowl, sift 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. When you're finished, set your dry ingredients to the side. Next, separate 3 eggs. Next, set your egg whites to the side. In the bowl with your egg whites, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Beat the egg yolks and sugar together until the mixture is pale yellow. When you're finished, add 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Then add 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined, and when you're finished, set your wet ingredients to the side. Next, beat your egg whites until stiff peaks form. When you're finished, set your egg whites to the side. Next, take out your dry ingredients and create a well in the center. Then, pour your wet ingredients in the center of the well. Mix everything together until almost combined. Then gradually fold in your egg whites. After folding in your egg whites, your batter should be done. It should be smooth with a few lumps. Now we can cook our waffles. Turn on the waffle maker and adjust the settings to your preference. Once the waffle iron is hot, grease it with cooking spray or butter. Then add the waffle batter. Close the lid and flip it to add batter to the other side. Once your waffles have finished cooking, take them out. Then repeat this process until you used up all of your batter. Next, we're going to make some sides to go with the Mickey waffles. In a large pan over medium heat, cook 4 to 5 slices of bacon. Once the bacon has finished cooking, remove it from the pan. Then add some diced potatoes. Season the potatoes to your liking. The seasonings I added were seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Rosa Maria seasoning blend, Sicilian blend, and paprika. Next, add some butter and cook until crispy and golden brown. After cooking the potatoes, scramble some eggs. In a pan over medium heat, add 3 eggs. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Scramble the eggs and then add salt, pepper, and cheese. Continue to scramble the eggs until they are cooked. Once you have finished making your sides, plate everything up. And this is the finished result! This turned out amazing and making it was so much fun. The Mickey waffles are so adorable and they tasted great. Oh, and by the way, you can just freeze your leftover waffles and then to reheat them, just place them in the toaster. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!